What's up guys, Thomas from FT86SpeedFactory, and I know it's already a couple months into September, but here are all the brand new products that we've gotten in for this month. To start off this month, we've got a bunch of brand new wheels. The one right next to me, this is a special Takata green, and they're in 3 different Volk wheels. The one right next to me is the T37 Sls, and this has a nice concave spoke design. It's got a machined outer lip, and then you get the decal of the SL on the bottom here. This is an 18 by 9.5 with a plus 40 offset, and they weigh 18.35 pounds, which is a pretty light wheel. Now, we also have the other version of this, which is the Volk T37 Sagas, and those are 18 by 9.5 with a plus 43 offset, so there's a 3mm offset difference, and those weigh in a little more at 19.05 pounds, and that extra weight comes in with the extra rigidity and the strength that the Saga has over the other TE37s. But they did as much as possible to reduce that weight. You can look at the back of the spokes, and they've cut out as much weight behind those spokes as possible to keep that weight down. And my favorite part about the Sagas is the engraved logo on the spokes, which is a million times cooler than any sticker or logo you're gonna get on your wheel. Now we also have the Volk ZE40s. Those are also an 18 by 9.5 with a plus 43 offset, same as the Sagas, and those weigh in at 18.5 pounds. Now, other than the green wheels, we've got a couple wheels left. We've got the Graham-Light 57C6 in this super bright luminous yellow color. This is a very, very bright highlighter yellow. And these are an 18 by 9.5 with a plus 40mm offset, and they weigh in at 22.15 pounds. And we also have one from Advance. These are the RG3s in this umber bronze. I really like this bronze color. These weigh in at 18.25 pounds, and they're an 18 by 9.5 with a plus 45mm offset. We've also got some new brake rotors in. The first one are from Project Mu. They are the Club Racer series, and we've got the rears in this month. We've had the fronts for a little bit, so now if you want to buy a full set, you can do that. And these are special heat treated rotors, cast iron rotors, and they're slotted. So you got 8 slots per side, so a total of 16 per rotor. And those slots are going to do a great job in preventing brake glazing. Now, the other brake rotors we have for this month are a brand new line for us. These are the WaveSpec rotors, and they come in 3 different kinds. You have 3 different rotors to choose from. They're all slotted. The first one is the Sport line. This is their most affordable rotor, and it's an economical casting design that keeps that cost down. And these are perfect for daily driving or occasional autocross use. Now, the next step up is the Silver line. This is for more serious competitive driving, maybe do track days more often, but this is still gonna give you more performance, but it's not gonna add to your budget. And if you want the ultimate performance, then look at the Black line, because this offers increased hardness, you're gonna get better temperature stability properties, and you're gonna get a greater wear resistance. Now, all 3 of these rotors are available in either fronts or rears. You can buy them both as a full set. I just want to clarify, when you buy one of these, they're sold in pairs. So you're getting 2 rotors even when you put a 1 in the quantity box. Just want to clarify that and make sure, because you're going to get questions, because these ones are super affordable, the Sport lines, and they're pretty much the same cost as 1 rotor from other companies. So they're a pretty good deal. For those of you who love running E85, we now have Open Flash Performance Flex Fuel kits. So this essentially, with these 2 fancy Teflon hoses, it'll add a ethanol sensor in line with your fuel, and it'll calculate how much ethanol content you have in your fuel, and it'll then tell your ECU that on the ratio of ethanol to like premium fuel, and it'll adjust the tune according. But you will need a tune, a special flex fuel tune for this, because it's not the same as having an E85 tune, because that's designed to work on 100% E85, while as like on the other end you'd have a 91 tune, and that's 100% supposed to work on premium fuel. So this allows you to run anywhere in between with any ratios of the 2, but you are going to have a special tune, like I said. So for 2016 and older cars, they Open Flash tab. If you have an Open Flash tablet, they have a tune specifically for this, but if you have a 2017 or newer, kind of out of luck. OFT is still making them right now, but in the meantime, you can get a custom tune. Now Blackview has come out with a brand new top-of-the-line dash camera system. This one shoots in 4K, which is insane for just a dash camera system. The front camera is the one that shoots in 4K, and the rear now shoots in a full-res 1080p. I think the old one used to shoot in 720p. You can just get the front, or you can get the front and the rear as a set, and everything just like the old Blackview dash camera systems. It all could all be accessed from your phone. And dash camera systems, I think, are a really smart investment in protecting your car. We put a lot of work in our cars, modifying, building them, fixing them, and none of us want our car to be damaged or destroyed. So if you have video evidence with a dash camera, it puts you in the best possible situation or best possible position in a really crummy situation. So I think they're worth it. Now the last product we have for this month is a massive wing from Carbon Reproduction. This is the Nirspec style wing, and the sides of this are going to be a nice gloss black, while the centerpiece is going to be carbon fiber. Now if you guys have any questions at all, feel free to send us an email at sales@ft86speedfactory.com. As usual, all the links are going to be down in the description. And if you enjoyed this video, make sure you hit that like button. This is Thomas, and I'll see you guys in the next video. T37 Sagas, the T37